Hi everyone, it's me Surya from the Techno-Commercial Department here at DNC Techno Solutions. Welcome back to a new video. This video is based on the topic fiber optic attenuators. In fiber optics, more power isn't always better. Just looking directly at the sun can damage your eyes. An optical signal that is too strong can blind the receiver, leading to high bit error rates or even the hardware damage. Today, let's see a component which is attenuator that's used to control the signal. But before we move forward, let's talk about a simple but a big mistake normally most of the people do in fiber optic networks. When signal power becomes too high, some technicians try to reduce the power by bending the fiber cable. The idea is that bending will cause signal loss and reduce power. Yes, bending the cable can create attenuation, but this is not a proper or recommended method. It can damage fiber cord permanently. Over time, it may even lead to fiber breakage. And most importantly, bending the cable is not a standard practice. So instead of risking fiber damage by bending the cable, the right approach is to control signal using a fiber optic attenuator. Here I am showing some of the commonly used attenuators, fixed attenuators with different dB values. An attenuator is a passive device used to reduce the power of an optical signal. It's not about adding noise, it's about precise reduction, just like a dimmer switch for a light source or a volume button for an audio. We use attenuators in two scenarios: to prevent receiver saturation when the transmitter is very close to the receiver part, and also for testing and measurements. To simulate long distance loss when testing equipments like OTDR or network switches in a lab environment. When we look to the types of attenuators, we usually have two types of attenuators: variable attenuator and fixed attenuator. Here we only have the fixed attenuators and we will look deeply on that. Again, fixed attenuators are categorized on the basis of connector type and the attenuation values. On the basis of connector types, just mentioned in the before videos in patch codes and all, I have mentioned that patch codes are available in different connector types, AC, LC. Here in this attenuator also we have different types of connector variations available. Also categories are based on attenuation values also: 3 dB, 5 dB. In each values attenuator is available. Now you will have a doubt that what is this dB means. dB is decibel, a unit used to measure the attenuation value. When you use an attenuator, the output finally is calculated using the equation. One second. Input minus attenuation value. So the output is calculated by subtracting the attenuation value from the input. For example, if you provide the input as 2 dB and your target is to reach minus 8 dB, then using a 10 dB attenuator puts you in a sweet spot. Attenuators applications comes everywhere where high-speed data like 10G, 40G, 100G are used. Here the power balance is very critical. Some of the tips I can provide you while selecting an attenuator is check the connector type, check the attenuation value you require, the return loss, whether it's multi-mode or single mode, and also operating wavelength of your network. Next, I will show you some of the connector variations in attenuators. The first one shown here is SC-APC. The second image shows the LC attenuators. The third one is FC attenuators, and the fourth one is ST attenuators. These are the commonly used attenuators. In fiber optics, everyone talks about reducing loss, but professionals understand something deeper. Sometimes controlling power is more important than increasing it. Even though the attenuator is a small component, it protects a huge million-dollar networks. It provides stability, accuracy, and safety to the networks, because in optical communication or optical networks, precision is the most important. I hope everyone understood today's topic, which was about the attenuator. Please contact our team for more fiber optic products or solutions related queries. The contact details are shown on the screen. Once again, it's Surya from the Techno-Commercial Department of DNC Techno Solutions Private Limited signing off, and have a nice day. See you in the next video.